Today, I am reviewing the ACEMAGICIAN W1 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are still looking for a giant, humming tower to sit under your desk, you are officially living in the past. I've been putting the ACEMAGICIAN W1 Mini PC through its paces for the last 2 weeks, and frankly, it is impressive how much power they have managed to pack into a box that is smaller than a stack of coasters. If you're curious about the current pricing or want to check out the specific specs for yourself, you can find the links below the video. Let's talk about the hardware first, because that is where this thing shines. The Ryzen 7 8745HS processor paired with a Radeon 780M graphics is a very capable combination. In my testing, I found this handles standard office multitasking without even breaking a sweat. I had dozens of browser tabs open, a few spreadsheets running, and a video call going, and the system didn't stutter once. The 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM running at 6,400 MHz definitely helps keep everything snappy. If you are a developer or someone who does a lot of data entry, the speed of the 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD is going to be a noticeable upgrade over older, slower mechanical drives or even older SATA SSDs. Now, let's get into the real-world gaming and creative performance. The Radeon 780M is one of the best integrated graphics solutions on the market right now. You are not going to be playing the latest AAA titles at 4K resolution on ultra settings, but if you enjoy esports titles like Valorant, League of Legends, or even some older single-player games at 1080p, you'll be surprised at how well this holds up. It is a fantastic machine for indie games and light creative work like photo editing in Lightroom or basic video cuts in Premiere. If you are a heavy content creator, you might miss having a dedicated graphics card, but for the size and price, it is a balanced trade-off. One of my favorite things about the W1 is the port selection. It is rare to see this many USB ports on a mini PC. Having 6 USB 3.2 ports plus a USB 4 Type-C port means you can actually plug in all your peripherals, external drives, and audio interfaces without needing a messy USB hub cluttering up your desk. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port is also a nice touch, especially if you're using this as a home media server or a network-attached storage device. However, it is not a perfect machine. The cooling system uses dual fans, which are generally efficient, but when you really push the processor, you're going to hear them. It is not an annoying, high-pitched whine, but it is definitely audible in a quiet room. Also, while the internal SSD is fast, keep in mind that the RAM is soldered on the motherboard. You are stuck with 16 gigabytes, so if your specific workflow involves running heavy virtual machines or massive datasets that require more memory, you might find yourself hitting a ceiling. Make sure to check the links below the video to see if this configuration fits your specific needs before you buy. The build quality feels solid, and the Visa mount included in the box is a huge bonus if you want to tuck this thing away behind your monitor to keep your workspace completely clear. I think the ideal buyer for the ACEMAGICIAN W1 is the professional or student who wants a clean, minimalist desk setup but still needs enough raw power to handle demanding software. It is also a great pick for a home theater PC because it handles 8K video output and is small enough to hide in a media console. You should avoid this if you are a hardcore gamer looking to play the latest graphically intensive games at high frame rates, or if you are doing professional 3D rendering where a desktop GPU is mandatory. For those users, a mini PC just cannot compete with a full-sized rig. But for 90% of users, the performance-to-size ratio here is excellent. It is a practical, no-nonsense computer that does exactly what it claims to do, and it does it with a footprint that makes traditional desktops look absurd. If you are ready to reclaim your desk space, this is a very strong contender. Just remember to verify the current price through the links below the video, as these mini PCs often see fluctuating deals. Overall, the W1 is a well-rounded machine that offers great value, provided you understand its limitations as a compact system.